Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Now we only going to use one account on my lead gen secrets because most people that are just starting will only use one account. Most people that know about my lead gen secrets usually have around 5 or 10 accounts. You know what I mean? So, but we starting with one just to show you can get results with just one, just starting, just getting in. You know what I mean? Now you might get better results than me, worse results than me. I'm just showing you that it's possible. All right, guys, it's possible to make money doing this. All right, so if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 business in general. Is because, and the biggest reason, because it's affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. That means I get 80% of every sale that I get, guys. And not only that, I get it every month. I get it every month. I get this money every month. That's how I made a lot of money doing minimum ads or whatever. All I'm doing is using my lead gen secrets, really. And I guess this YouTube page here. So ultimately, I'm doing like minimal effort when it comes to promoting this, but I'm making money anyway, guys. And I'm trying to show you guys how easy it is to do that. And you guys can do that too. Who wouldn't want an extra $500 a month? I'm doing the minimal effort, getting back for $500 every month doing this, guys. So it's very easy. And you get every $25 you spend, I'll get 20 of it. If you sign in with me, I'll get 20 of that $25, right? And it's a bunch of other products in this system as well. That's where you get the $100 as well, or $125 product. So I got that too as well. And it's just a lot of products. You know, some people get more than one product. You know what I mean? But let's look at our results here and show what we get. We're gonna refresh the page. Don't believe results you don't see or refresh on the results page, guys, because it's very easy to change these numbers around. All right, guys, looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
All right, so that's the positive thing about things. You keep going. You just got to keep doing it. You get sales. Things happen in the right way, right direction. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. Now we're gonna go on to my lead gen secrets here, and we're gonna click on, once you log in, right? It's in the description below. You want to sign in and set up your account, whatever. Once you log in, you want to go to the mailing system. Do not buy the email swipes. You don't need them. We're using swipes from all over. It's very easy to get swipes, especially if you signed into the $25 business, because you could just use this. You use the Emerging Magic Content Machine and just tell it to write you an email for you. Writer, itchy, clickbait, email about and mention the 80% recurring. So you just fit that in like that. Once you get into the system, guys, now you can put that in right there if you want to. But I'd rather have a longer email than that. You just can keep rolling by like this, and you get a solid email. There you go. That's a good one. You see what I'm saying? And I could do that. I could do it like this. I could just do it with this a little bit and get an email as well. That is very short. I think it's still doing quotes. I gotta refresh the page, guys. That's all that is. There we go. That's a good one. You know what I mean? I haven't refreshed the page. So anyway, you could just make emails just like that. Simple as that once you're in the system, guys. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna use the email we already done written. So we're just gonna go down here, pick our next email. Boom, boom, we done. That's it. It's over. Now you could pause and copy that if you want to, but we done with as far as emails concerned. And we're gonna post. We using this link here, guys, the $25 business. This is the email you're gonna link. And guys, once you click on the link below, it's gonna take you to this page here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Looks like this. Tells you what all you can make. See, instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions. That's what I'm getting, all right, from a couple of people. Getting both from a couple of people. And you just click on yes, I want in, blah blah. It tells you everything about it. It got a ton of information about it. Make you fully understand what you actually buying and so on and so forth. This is a product that you have to pay every month now, guys. You got to stay in the system. It's a monthly payment. All right, so once you get 2 people in, though, you in profit. You see what I mean? So anyway, guys, I can't show you guys that. I'm sorry. Anyway, you send the email, boom, and you're done. That's all it is. You're done. So, right, guys? So, like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.